Hey guys, this is Mike at Estates Chimney, and today we're going to be talking about the Regency G800EH direct vent gas fireplace. This fireplace is 36,000 BTUs on high, but can be turned down to 19,500 BTUs on low. We're showing the fireplace with a clean face finish, birch log set, and volcanic brick interior panels. Some of the other media options include an oak log set, driftwood log set, various crushed glass or stone, light brown brick panels, herringbone panels, castle stone, flat black, or an enameled panel that will reflect the flames. Some of the standard features of this fireplace are a clean front design, largest viewing area in its class, top-down and ember bed lighting, integrated safety screen, ceramic glass, flame height adjustment, variable speed blower, electronic ignition, rear or top vent for versatile installations. The G800 includes a ProFlame 2 remote that will allow you to turn the unit on and off, control flame height up and down, control variable speed blower, the ember bed lighting, overhead lighting, and 2 thermostat modes. One of the most convenient features of the ProFlame 2 system is turning the pilot on and off. With the remote in the off position, we'll hit the bottom mode button, and we're in intermittent pilot ignition, and we will click the top arrow key to go to continuous pilot ignition, and now our pilot is on. When we want to turn the fireplace on, we'll hit the power button, and the fireplace will light up. The G800 is a great option for any customer who wants to update their old prefabricated wood-burning fireplace or old gas fireplace. So visit Estates Chimney showroom and let's find a fireplace that's perfect for you. Thank you.